Hi chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen. If you're new here, well, welcome to my kitchen. So since in some countries it is cold and it's the winter, I wanted to make a recipe to make you feel cozy and warm. So today I decided to make some homemade chicken soup with dumplings. So let me know in the comments below, what is your go-to soup in the winter or on a regular day? So y'all ready to make this soup? So let's go check out the ingredients. Don't worry, this recipe is not going to break your pockets. For those of you who don't know, you have to wash the chicken with some vinegar and then rinse it off before cutting it into small cubes. You can even use some lemon juice or lime juice. So I'm using 2 chicken breasts, but you can use any part of the chicken to make this soup. So I'm covering my chicken with some garlic powder as well as some onion powder. This next step is optional, but I've added 1 pack of sazon, but you don't have to add it, your soup will come out perfect. I'm adding some fresh chopped parsley straight from my vegetable garden. I'm finely chopping 3 green onions to add to the bowl. I'm using half to season the chicken and the other half for the soup. I'm also adding a 1/4 piece of onion. I'm using my clean hand to mix the vegetables and the seasoning evenly throughout the pieces of chicken. I have a nice piece of pumpkin and I'm going to remove the seeds, peel it, and cut it up into small cubes. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used pumpkin in your soup. Let me know in the comments below, what is your specific vegetable that you can't go without in your soup. I'm also adding 3 fresh carrots. A couple of garlic cloves, two large potatoes. What brand is your favorite potato? So all the ingredients are prepped and we are ready to make our soup. I've preheated 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on medium heat, and I'm going to add my chopped garlic, my chopped green onions, as well as my chopped onion. And I'm going to allow them to cook until they are translucent. Then I'm going to add my chicken. I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm going to allow it to cook until it is no longer pink in color. So I'm going to use 2 packs of Jamaican soup mix. And these are my go-to that I always use, especially this Island Chef one. Now I'm adding in my chopped pumpkin as well as my chopped potatoes. Next, I'm adding both packs of the chicken soup mix. I'm going to fill the pot with some water to cover all the ingredients. I'm going to allow it to cook covered until my potatoes and my pieces of pumpkin are very soft. While the soup is cooking, I'm going to work on the dumplings. I have some all-purpose flour, some salt, some granulated sugar, and some water. I'm going to add about 2 cups of flour to a bowl, about a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. I'm mixing my dry ingredients and I'm going to gradually add my water. I want my dumplings to be a little bit pasty but not too wet. Everyone makes the dumplings different. All the vegetables are cooked and ready for the dumplings, but before I add the dumplings, I'm going to blend the pieces of pumpkin into a puree and then add them back to the pot. So now the soup is ready for the dumplings. I'm using a tablespoon to add the dumplings and I'm doing them one at a time. If you look closely, I left just a few pieces of the pumpkin. Once all the dumplings are in, I'm going to reduce my heat to low. So there it is, guys. Look at it, guys. It came out so good. You can see the dumplings and the chunks of chicken. You could see the carrots. And it smells amazing. Bring y'all bowls. We're about to chow down. So let's eat. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye, y'all.